Our world is complex and digital, but how does modern factory planning deal with this? One question here is whether CAD software is needed today to plan complex factories digitally. In the video, we give you the answer and show you what you really need for modern factory planning. Before you see how modern factory planning works better today, let's first take a look at why CAD systems have spread since the turn of the millennium. With digitization, factory layouts were increasingly realized in CAD software. However, CAD applications were originally developed as digital drawing boards. They were intended to allow technical draftsmen to create their documents using computers. Consequently, CAD systems were oriented to the basic requirements of technical drawing. A CAD specialist was needed to operate one. Thus, this specialist often became the sole focus of factory planning. CAD software has continued to evolve. Some things have become easier, new functions have been added, but practically nothing has changed with respect to the fact that a specialist is needed. However, it is still underestimated today that CAD systems' focus is still on geometry. But factory planning is much more than geometric definitions. There are established methods which, starting from the products to be manufactured via the definition of the production processes and the calculation of the necessary resources, only finally result in a layout, and thus in geometric information. Hence, CAD software was used for layout planning, but you will soon understand why this is not a good idea. Furthermore, the process of the method is iterative and very different planning disciplines are involved. It is therefore necessary to involve other planners with a range of technical backgrounds. This situation is still often found today, and it contains several serious challenges. On the one hand, CAD software is well suited to detailed layout design for execution, but this is only the last iteration and a very small part of layout planning. CAD software, therefore, supports only a very small part of the factory planning process. On the other hand, the planners use other software and are dependent on the CAD specialist when it comes to the layout. So, the answer to the question at the beginning is simple. CAD software is not the best choice for factory planning. You need an easy-to-use tool that supports the entire factory planning process and that you can use even if you are, for example, a work scheduler, logistics planner, lean manager, manufacturing engineer, or any other planner. Factory planning works best together. If you want to learn more about it, you can find links in the video description. Please subscribe to our channel. We will provide you with regular, high-quality information about factory planning.